Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the controls symmetric and predictable. First, set tires to the recommended size and sit squarely. This reduces drift. Next, center the steering wheel by rotating until wheel marks or road reference line up. Make a small tape mark on the wheel as a reference. Once done, ensure mirrors and seat don't bias your posture, because a crooked seating position or uneven tire pressure pulls the car off-center, so correct those before you drive. Now you take it onto a calm, straight road and create visual anchors. Choose a distant point on the horizon and a closer dashboard mark. Align them to keep the car centered in the lane. Hold the wheel at 9 and 3 for stable leverage and make small, deliberate inputs rather than sudden jerks. As you drive, watch lane lines instead of nearby objects. This reduces overcorrections and helps the car track straight, so practice keeping your hands steady and corrections minimal. Finish by validating that the car truly tracks straight. Drive at a steady 50 km/h and gently let go. If the lane centering stays, you're done. If the car drifts, check for uneven tire wear and repeat the centered wheel reference. Make a tire swap front to back to isolate a wheel issue. If the pull persists, it usually means an alignment or suspension problem, so make sure to visit a shop. Only adjust tie rods yourself if you know measurements, because incorrect changes worsen handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.